the gate. Hit the gate, guys. Hit the gate. Hit the gate.
Check if may bomb.
Careful ah, careful ah. Pa-check ako nasa na yung Nick ngayon. They have They have miss first.
Pinching up, pinching up.
Pinching up. Careful. Careful over the wall ah. Careful over the wall. They have miss piercer bump. You know that? Careful, careful, careful. Defensive ready. That's a fake, that's a fake, that's a fake. Not yet, not yet. Come back southeast, come back southeast. Come back southeast, guys. Hold north side. Side left tank, hold north side. Hold north side left tank, hold north side, hold north side left tank. Kahit a little bit, kahit a little bit, kahit a little bit, kahit a little bit. Hold north side left tank, hold north side left tank, hold north side left tank. Kahit a bit. Dap. Yo, I'm dying. On me, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. Hit me. Good job. Comes out. Kick pass, guys. Pats comes out. Pats comes out. Don't run, ah. Pats comes out. Pats, tell me serious. Hold north, defensive ready. Hold north, tell me serious. Kick pass. Ready on me. 5,
Ready.
4, 3, 2. Hit me DPS. All of this. Let's spread now. Spread. Keep spreading.
Patay blight.
Keep on spreading. You're fine. Go west, northwest. Go northwest. Oh my god, I'm dying. Pailo ko. Spread, comes out guys, comes out on me. Guys, comes out on me, please.
You still have your boots.
OC.
Comes out on me, look north, DPS, tell me serious. Left. North, 5,
Ready.
4,
Oh.
3, 2. Hit me. All of them. Okay, spread and comes out. Heal me. Spread and comes out. Heal and spread. Come southeast. Heal and spread. They have engaged right now. Left ready, yeah. Come southeast. Keep walking. Careful in front.
Ready.
Inside. Come east. East 5, 4, 3, 2. Hit this now on me. All of them, bro. Spread and roll. Depend ready, they have engaged. Oh my god, lose na pala yung party natin. Comes out. Party to, follow me. Tukol. Lose party natin. Dami naman tayo sa atin.
Ba't naubos?
Bomba kill, bomba ng brim. Bomba ng brim.
Tapos tayo guys.
Parang
Wala nag-heal sa akin.
guild yata yun.
Tumatay. Ha?
Parang dalawang guild yun. Nabomba sila ng brimstone. Bomba ng brimstone. Be careful west side.
Be happy day, bum.
Hirap kill.
Mag-call ko
Alam ba? TFDB pumatay sa atin.
Dami na
Saan
patay
ba
ng
nakapag-
happy day ata.
We reckon
Hindi,
come back right.
pumatay sa inyo. Bista ka pumatay sa inyo eh.
May kupal dito oh.
Saan?
Gago yung battleman, mamamatay, help me.
Ping. Cannon, battle mount
Yo,
here.
care.
Ano
They're
po?
going to touch you. Kayso.
Need help here, on ping,
Wag na, marami sila.
Alam mo kayong gigpat?
Okay lang.
May
Oh,
gigpat ako.
nakagigpat.
Gigpats ka na Kenin ha?
Nakagigpat na yan.
Defense ready. Look north on me. DPS, look north on me.
Yeah,
Look north, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hit me. Guys, hit. Uy, DPS.
Hit. Sana yung...
Si DPS na. Kanaya. Napag-trap ha? Spread.
Mag-switch ako ng swift claw. Tayo makapag-switch.
Spread.
Ayun na,
Isa na,
nakapag-
patay ito. Okay, wala na. Alis na pa rin siya. Alis na tayo.
Ay, nahuli pa to. Wag na ba?
Tara. May iplap pa sa inyo, hoy.
Ika-cut off kayo nung nung ewan ko kung bomb squad ba to or what.
Pinupunta silang room. Namatay kayo. Wala bang pangalan nito?
Naubos sila sa
Wala bang locus dun sa part na yun?
Wala nag-JA dun sa may gate. Ang daming nahuli.
Daming nahuli doon
Ay,
sa
walang
brimstone.
nag-guard run sa may gate. Daming nahuli sa gate, sa party 2.